haka arpuai terik jong benai jon arhaja arpuai Myntri Rangbah du jong kajala Meghalaya konrat ke sangma ulah hiar Garo Hills banle jurib ya kitu ki jaka ki belamat ya ka jingshlei bat ka jingjor slat adin ba ulah dep banle ban jurib ya ki jaka ki badon hakasi jantia hills bat ki bla shakta haki boj kamariang hakaba ulah lej ro banya kendu markhmat dalade shakitu ki yeng ki basham lanot bat ki bashakta hakabor mariang menta ka kenti saki benta jeng kathan Garo Hills ulalej ban pej lane ban jngoh dalade hi kham tam hasau Garo Hill hakaba konrat ke sangma ula pentip baki helikopter jeng ki sipai ki lalej ban kiet ye ki song bam ban penpoi jing bam jing di ban penkiet shasau Garo Hill ban sam shakitu ki shnong ki bam lashu ban yat kali lane ban penpoi marbam
ये तो बंधा हुआ था छोटा गाड़ी चल रहा है तभी लोडर गाड़ी नहीं
एक पीएम जेसू का रास्ता है मैं रामन पीएम जेसू में वेस्ट हूँ
ये कोई नहीं टूटी पक्ष ना
See, I'm planning to go for hanging bridges now. I'm going to go for 100 hanging bridges throughout the state. And every year I'll take up 100. So I want to saturate hanging bridges. So I'm looking for technology in that also. So if you have somebody in mind, if you know technology for hanging bridges, because you see the same technology that works everywhere will not necessarily work here. We need to find out. We are in Dalu area today, and again because of heavy rains, there has been a lot of damage. But here mostly the damage has been to the roads and infrastructure. As you can see, bridges like these have been washed out, and now there's a disconnectivity between villages, and so we have a huge challenge now to bring that back. So we have just come here with the Honorable MLA and other officials from PWD and other departments and the Deputy Commissioner and officials to see the situation, monitor it, and to immediately rectify it so that we can bring back the entire life to normalcy out here. So we will do what we can, and we have urged PWD to take immediate action so that the bridge can be restored at the earliest, so that people can have the necessary connectivity in this particular road.